2015 Nissan Xterra. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.